In this video, I will show you how to fix NVMe SSD not showing in BIOS. Step number 1, you'll have to restart your PC. So after restarting your PC, you enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. And then step number 2, check if the NVMe SSD is listed under the storage devices. And then step number 3, ensure that the SSD is working or is connected properly to the M.2 slot. Now let's move ahead to step number 4, update the BIOS or firmware to the latest version. Now step number 5, check if the storage configuration settings is AHCI or RAID. And then step number 6, test the SSD on another system if possible. Alright, so let's move on to the next step. Contact the SSD manufacturer for compatibility issues, and then ensure that SSD is formatted and initialized in the operating system. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.